As is the case with several other product categories in consumer electronics, in the case of printers too, you can corner some amazing value if you're willing to go beyond the 2 or 3 top manufacturers. This doesn't mean that you are compromising on quality or performance. You are just saving yourself from paying for brand equity. Take the example of the multifunction printer we are featuring today. It comes from Brother, the much-respected Japanese multinational, which might be slightly less known than your usual HP or Canon, but offers equally good, if not better, functionality at a lot more competitive pricing.
Here we go!
The MFC J480DW wireless inkjet color all-in-one printer packs enough features to be ideal for your home office, or small business. Apart from being very efficient in printing, copying, scanning, and faxing documents, this compact machine has also put together a couple of unique tricks that make work faster and more convenient. It gives you an ISO-based print speed of 12 for black and white and 6 for color, which is really good for all regular needs related to your office work or your kids' school projects. Print resolution of 6000 by 1200 dpi and scan resolution of 2400 by 1200 dpi ensure great quality with your output, and the input paper capacity of 100 sheets at a time, along with the versatility to handle a wide range of sizes, including A4, letter, legal and executive, to 8.5 by 14 inches, gives a whole lot of power into your hands. This machine also supports two-sided printing to reduce your paper costs by half, and comes with a convenient automatic document feeder that saves you time by running the scanning, copying and faxing on its own. The Brother all-in-one printer has been carefully designed to make use easy for everyone in your home or office, right from the wireless assistant guided setup process, which is less cumbersome than that of other printers. You have the 1.8-inch color display to easily navigate through on-screen menus. You also enjoy the freedom to print wirelessly from almost any mobile device, whether it's based on iOS, Android or Windows, or a Kindle or BlackBerry. Wi-Fi directly gives you this wireless functionality, even if you don't have a router set up. But one of the coolest features in the MFC J480DW has to be that you can access web services like Google Drive, Dropbox and Facebook directly from the printer's screen and can scan directly to them. Who needs a PC to control things when you have the Brother all-in-one printer? We are quite impressed by the Brother MFP that manages to offer all the features that you would get from a premium brand, and tops them with some special ones too, all at a really affordable price. The user reviews give it a very respectable score of 3.7 on 5 from over 600 customers. A number of users have complained about the speed of the printer, but as another comment specifies, that's a problem with the default driver settings in most computers. A simple tweak can take care of that and bring the speed up to par with, if not faster than, comparable machines. That's all we have on the Brother MFC J480DW wireless inkjet color all-in-one printer for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Were you looking for something else? Take a look at our other inkjet printer reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.